chilling case of murder and the aftermath. A judge's decision has sparked a debate over the public's right to know and the victim's family's right to privacy. In a recent ruling, Judge Megan Marshall has decided to bar the release of certain graphic photos from the crime scene where Bryan Kohberger took the lives of 4 University of Idaho students. This decision comes after a request from the families of 2 victims, Mogan and Chapin, who pleaded to keep these images private, citing their invasive and traumatic nature. The case, which gained international attention, has left many seeking answers. The Moscow Police Department received an overwhelming number of requests for investigatory records, and Idaho law typically allows for such records to be made public once an investigation concludes. However, Judge Marshall's ruling takes a different approach. She argues that while the public has an interest in seeing these records, the potential harm to the victims' families outweighs this interest. The judge ordered the city of Moscow to obscure any portions of the images that show the victims' bodies or the immediate bloodstains. But here's where it gets controversial. The judge allowed for the release of other materials, including videos of distraught friends on the morning the bodies were discovered. This decision has sparked a debate about the balance between public interest and personal privacy. Kohberger was sentenced to life without parole for the brutal stabbing murders of Kaylee Goncalves, Xana Kernodle, Madison Mogan, and Ethan Chapin. The case has left many questions unanswered, and the release of these records was seen as a potential way to provide some clarity. And this is the part most people miss. The judge's ruling highlights the delicate balance between transparency and compassion. While some may argue for complete transparency, Judge Marshall emphasizes the profound impact these images can have on the families involved. The fact remains, the murder investigation is closed, Marshall wrote. Releasing these records will have a limited impact on those seeking answers, but a profound effect on the loved ones of the victims. So, what do you think? Is this a fair decision, or should the public have access to all investigatory records? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.